Understanding how to trade is one thing, and raising trading capital is another topic altogether. In this video, I'm going to be explaining practical ways and things you can do outside of trading to raise trading capital. Now, this is a topic that over the years is barely talked about. There are no much content on how to raise trading capital. There are no much specific information on how you can do it, especially considering the fact that majority of people that are coming to trading these days are mostly students and people that are in situations where they can't have a full-time job. So if you're a student or you're in a situation where you can't have a full-time job to begin with to be able to fund your trading account, this video is basically for you. It entails practical ways that you could use to raise trading capital, makes small money here and there, and then it adds up for it to raise trading capital. These are ways that I've tried and I've used to fund my account over the years as time may have it. I've also used them to raise money to buy Profim accounts along my journey. So stay with me to the end to get everything that I'm about to say. The first on our list is learning a skill. This is a common something. Everybody at some point in their life that wants something outside of the school environment eventually learns a skill, a vocational skill, a digital skill, any kind of skill, anything that helps you solve other people's problem in return for money. So since money flows in the direction of value, you have to create value to actually get money. So it's for you to learn a skill. You can learn photography, you can learn furniture making, you could learn digital marketing, you could learn graphic design / product design, you could learn software development, which is front end, back end, mobile app development. But whatever skill you're going to pick, just understand that it's going to take time. And some people don't have that luxury, because if you're going to learn a skill, you're going to be broke, because when you start learning that skill, you don't have anything that is giving you money. So for a very long period of time, you're going to give yourself that patience that, oh, I'm not going to be making money immediately I start learning this skill. I'm learning this skill for the period of 1 year. And when I finish learning this skill and making money from it, I can come back to trading. That is it for learning of skill. It takes time, and you have to be patient with your learning and allow yourself learn and grow. That's it. But it pays off big time, because you're able to build a career from that skill, and then you can also use that as you grow. Many people use their skill set to get married, start a family, especially when the jobs are not coming from the course they studied in school. So that's one of the easiest way you could raise trading capital. The number 2 on my list is middleman business. You have different markets in different states. They have markets for electronics, they have market for phones, they have market for laptops and various fields. So you can just go to this market, study this market, look for people in your school environment or your environment that actually need those particular items. If you have more friends that need kitchen items, you can go to a market where they sell kitchen items and then make an agreement or a deal with various kitchen vendors in the market. Now, whenever you have people in your school that request for those stuff, you can go and pick them up. Having been that you have an agreement with those people in the market, you can pick them up and take a commission off of those items. You can do the same thing for gadgets, you can do the same thing for cars, you can also do the same thing for lands, act like a land agent or something. But lands are a bit more deeper and you have to take your time. So the third thing on our list on how to raise trading capital is errand boys / logistics business. Basically, you might be asking me, why did you say logistics business? I don't have money to buy a bike, I don't have money to buy a car. Yeah, you can actually start doing errand boy business, especially if you have people around your environment that are always busy and they need someone that can help them pick up items, go to grocery store, can help them go to the market, help them pick up stuff. There are so many people that are very busy, they have their hands full, and they don't mind paying somebody that can help them fill up that time of moving around and running errands. So they essentially pay you for the time that they can't make up in order for them to focus on other things. So you could start posting, creating awareness on your social media, do a design, start creating awareness, let people know that, oh, you help people run errands, you help people pick items, you help people pick packages, and you get them delivered safely to their house. You help them go to the market as well. And then you can also register on food delivery apps like Chowdeck, Uber Eats, and the likes of them, and also start with delivery with your bike. If you have a bicycle, you can pick it up, register on the platform, and start doing food delivery as time goes by. That's if you want to do the logistics part of it. But if you feel like you can do both the errand boy and the logistics because it goes hand in hand, then it's extra money for you. So those are one of the practical ways you can actually raise money to fund your trading account. The last one on my list is actually related to trading. So you learned forex and you got introduced to a particular broker of your choice that you're probably using. So you can affiliate to your broker by bringing in clients for them, new people that want to learn forex, and get paid a certain commission from it. That's one extra way I don't think most people utilize when they come into trading. They just focus solely on making money from the skill of trading itself. But that's one way you can actually also raise money. You could refer your friends, your family, those that want to learn trading, and then when they eventually fund their account, they get a commission off of their trading activities. And the last on the list is selling digital courses. You don't necessarily need to have these digital courses. You just need someone that already has these courses, and these courses can basically be simple tutorials on different skills. You just run an ad on those particular digital courses and then target people that actually need those courses, and then you make commission off the sales of those courses. So you're giving the owner of the course a certain percentage and you're taking a certain percentage from selling the digital course, but you're the one running the ads. Why? You're not the owner, but you're marketing the digital product and you're making profit off commission from the sales of that digital product. So these are practical things that you could do to essentially raise trading capital. I don't think there's any video right now on YouTube that explains these things in practical terms. So if you're a student, you're a stay-at-home mom, you are in a situation where you cannot find a full-time job, you could start trying out these things because there are things you could try. There's no harm in trying. This is all I can dish out in this video. Hope you leave a like button, subscribe, share, and also join my Telegram channel so you get more updates like this. You get more videos. Whenever I drop them, I also drop them on my Telegram channel, and I also share my trade insights and trade updates. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.